In 1989 I came for the first time to Krakow together with my father. We visited his place of birth, but we didn't find the courage to ring the bell and to enter or to ask someone. But I fall in love to the city of Krakow. And that was also 1989 the first time I entered Kazimierz, the Jewish quarter, even despite that our guide said the warning, never enter Kazimierz, you never know if you come back alive or not.
Listen, in 1989 was the time when Poland got through a big transformation. So what month did you arrive? Do you remember what was the month?
Yeah, it was in October 1989.
So we were already free country.
I remember this very well because on that very day when we traveled through GDR, the still communistic, socialistic GDR, at that time was the 40th birthday of GDR. And so we had to wait for a very long time at the border from GDR to Poland because there was almost no one working because they were all in Berlin to protect the great leaders, Honecker and Gorbachev and so on. And this was also, I remember this very well, we were standing in the long queue on the bridge close to Frankfurt-Oder to Słubice at the border. And close to us was standing a bus with Polish people, also waiting, of course. And this was my first first time that I met Polish people, and it was a great moment because they had vodka in the car and they invited us to drink together with them, and so we had a lot of fun. So this was just an anecdote.